Here you are having here two switches there. One for program on a program changing switches. If you want to change the program, only you go to on the single switch. Now the kit will be on. Now the kit will be on. Then you have to open the door. Yesterday we have explained the program, how to change the program. Now we will change the T2 or T1. Anytime you have to change means how to change the one. I will tell you. First to go for escape. Then stop the program. Stop. Then OK. Now the program is stopped. Now it's coming the program run parameter utilities. You have to go for parameters. Then you have to click for OK. Then it will be coming the timing T1. T1 time already set at 0.005 seconds. T1 seconds already set at. If you want to increase the z-axis downward time, you have to increase the cursor. Now increase the cursor. The cursor move to that point. Now this is the blinking. So now T1 is blinking. You have to go for 5. Now it's coming the 0.005. The cursor is coming to 0.05. That time you have to click the Alt button. You have to click the Alt button means wait. Cursor blinking. You have to go for Alt button. Now you have to move the cursor. If you want increase means 6. You want decrease means 7, 5. Now we are not changing, only 5 also. Suppose this is the for the time changing for T1. It's OK means OK. You can put the OK button. Now it's over. Next, if you want to change the T2, you can go for a T. Now the T is blinking. Nearby one is blinking. So you go to Alt button. Now you go to change the Alt button means T2 you go to choose one. Alt button. Now T2 is coming. Increment you are pressing means T2 is coming. Now T2 is already set at the OK means Alt button OK. OK. Now T2 already having the 6 seconds. If you want to change means similarly like that way. Now the cursor is coming here. Similar here is going to Alt button. Then you go to move the cursor and change the timing. So this is the time for all the timer T1, T2, T3, T4. You go to change the by using the time. After it's OK, then you go to save the program. The program is saved. Then after it's OK means you run the program. Run the program. OK. Save and run. Continue. Save and continue. Now it's OK. The project is over. Then you go to, if you want to the timing is OK, then you going to on the second button. So now the program is running. First z-axis relay is on. Z-axis downward, x-axis movement, then y-axis y plus, then x minus, y minus, then z upward direction. Z upward direction. Now this one process is over. After one process is over, you go to remove the clamp and you go to put the another work piece here. Then you go to type the clamp, C clamp, 2 clamp will be there. Then automatically it will be working. Now we are not connecting the DC motor. After that we will connect the DC motor, we will check it and we will give you once again an explanation. So one operation to another operation, 20-second delay will be there. After 20 seconds only it will be on once again. It will be waiting for 20 seconds for the now it will be coming to Z axis downward. So this is the continuous operation. Then now after that you go to switch off the two switches. So switch off the two switches. Whenever you want only program changes means only first button you go to on and change the program and anything. Suppose the program no need to change means you go to on the second button, that then the system will be working. So this is the concept of project. Thank you. Pass pannikku. Now you go to connect the battery. This is the battery 12 volt 7 ampere rechargeable battery. Next you go to this is the milling machine. So you go to on the 230 volt supply. So you go to switch on the this is the switch will be there on and off switch. So this is the on switch, this is the off switch. So this is the milling machine. This is the C clamp. These are the DC motor 12 volt 90 watt 60 rpm turbo DC warm gear motor. The lead screw mechanism 16 mm diameter lead screw, 1 mm pitch. So these are the 3 axis, X axis, Y axis, Z axis. 3 axis will be there. Battery 12 volt 7 ampere. Let us rechargeable battery to 2 PLC. Here I have in the 2 PLC. We are coupled with parallel connection. Now you will switch on the system. First this one. Then you go to mission on the machine. Then you will switch on the system. Automatically it will be coming down. Now you go to switch on the first button. Then you go to switch on the second button. It will be coming downward. Before that you will on the system. Now the water will be rotating. It will be coming down. Now next to X axis. Next to Y axis. Then X minus. Then Y minus. Y minus. Square. Opposite square will come. Then it will be coming the upward direction. Z minus. Okay. Now you go to switch off the system. Actually, now here not any milling is not happened. So that time the depth is not enough. So you go to battery manually. You go to ready down the system. We are having the wire is there, tag to tag. The tag to tag without tag to tag. So you go to manually you go to give the battery. Manually you go to give the battery supply to downward, the plus and minus. Now you go little bit downward that one. Then you go to connect once again. Now you go to check the project. It will be milling operation will come. This is the initial position for the setting the depth. Like that way it will be very easy to set that one. Otherwise you go to change the program. Actually 5 seconds is there in a set axis. You have to increase the second means that time also possible. But in demo purpose we are downward and manually. So now we go to connect the similarly same battery connection. Now we go to switch on the system. Now we go to on the system. Then this. Now we will be coming further downward. The milling operation is done. Now extract it. And react it. Then X minus. Then Z minus. Y minus. X minus, Y minus. Then it will be going to upward. So this is the square. So this is the milling of square person. After that over, operation is over means you go to switch off this one. Similarly, it will be after 20 seconds, you have to remove this one, automatically it will be working. So this is the concept of the things. So you have to depth is more. Suppose if you want to less depth means you have to little bit, you have to raise that machine. Similarly, you have to do the battery supply to that motor. Manually, you have to lift that little bit 3 mm, you have to lift that one. Then time the small amount of depth will be happen. Depending upon the depth, you have to adjust the motor manually, or you have to change the programming timing. 5 seconds to 6 seconds or 7 seconds. Similar like that, you have to change the timing also. That if it is not possible to change the timing, means you have to better change the setting of this one. Similarly, that position of center or anything means, similarly you go to remove these wires. You have to give the better. You have to give the supply to initiate that position. Which position you want? Center position. Center, the axis is moving manually. You have to change the center position. Which position you want to center, you want to which place you want to milling. That place, that is possible for manual operation. Manually you have to give the like that way. You have to set all the axis X, Y, Z. Then you have to give the connection. Here already all are having the tag to tag, without tag to without tag. This is the red color wire. The Z axis for a black color wire, 2 black wire. Then this Y axis for X and Y is red color. Z axis is a black color wire. So this is the connection.